Spaghetti.
Ano? Dahil dyan, magluluto ko ng spaghetti. Ano ba yan?
Spaghetti. Gusto ko. Apo. Luluto mo ako?
Hindi nga ako maalam eh. Ano ba pagluluto niya?
Mag-ano ka YouTube booking.
Mahal ikaw ang uuwian. Ako umabot man sa dulo at tatanda na ikaw pa rin ang di na magbabalik. Ikaw pa
Gawa, CCTV ka.
mahal ikaw ang uuwian at kung
Pag-uwi natin ha.
man sa tulong at tatanda na tayo, ikaw pa rin ang uuwian at kahit na maghirap tayo, di na magpapago. Ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. Ikaw pa rin. Oh, ikaw pa rin. Ikaw lamang ang uuwian.
Daddy!
Sinabi mo binibidyohan ko si Daddy, ikaw talaga.
Daddy lang! Daddy lang! Daddy! Daddy! Na!
Ano magayon, Daddy? Stress na yung chef natin, te.
Dati yung bata ako para malaman ko kung ano yung mga Pag nagtalsing ka na yung ano, mainit na yung
Kahit na maghirap tayo,
ganyan, ganyan ako, ganyan ako. Sabi natin.
ko, ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. Ikaw ang uuwian. Kung umabot man sa dulo at handa na tayo, ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. Kahit na maghirap tayo,
Bango na!
Pwede na yan, luto na.
ikaw
Pag
pa
naluto na ito, lalagay dito. Ating gabi na
At kung umabot man sa dulo,
Paggabi, huwag na natin.
tanda na tayo. Ikaw pa rin. Masarap ba yan?
Ang daming mais.
Wow! Ano? Ang dami. Walang kamote.
Ayan mo yung pinakainin mo. Si Sam naglagay ng pakadami.
Huwag na lang ako
Yung
maliit. Kasi baka
pag nasa ilalim dito po na maglagay. Kumuha po ako ng isang
Saka corn leg. Sa
Ay,
tinidor.
wala namang corn.
Ano lang. Saka ano din.
Frozen kasi mga
Tinidor
basta.
yan. Tinidor saka isang box.
Pag ginawa watch. Lipat. Makinig. Context, baby.
Daddy, gusto mo? Kinakain ng spaghetti. Kain kayo, te.
There's no way we listen to me. Such a good idea. Nothing ever goes wrong when you make robots too smart. Okay, baby.
Yung mga porn.
See that?
Taste. Mabango naman.
Hello? Is anyone in here? The police are on their way!
Daddy, ang tigas ng noodles. Munti ka na lumambot.
To know about everyone in
Siya,
town.
ang sagot
They
niyo,
want
yung
them
ano
to
eh.
I know things about people they don't
Pero
know about
nangunguya naman siya.
themselves, like Tom, his favorite color isn't red. It's
Sarap naman.
Pre, gawa ko yun eh.
Mommy, juice.
Hey guys, got pudding over here. Anybody want chocolate vanilla swirl? These guys are real
May
bummed
sili
out.
buo.
This might take more than a pudding.
I know. You should probably just go, right?
You're gonna have to sing them your friendship song.
I don't know if that's a good idea.
What the fuck? Hey guys, you think that's punk rock? Wait till you hear my sister's song.
Look, I do think humans are generally nice, but to prove that point to you today, I used microchips in all of your enemies' heads that made this nice when I clicked this button. But I didn't know about these neo-Nazis.
Ang ito, yung mga corn, pinili ko na lang din. Creamy lang yun
Some
ang
people are bad.
Right, some people are really, really bad. This is just like the movie Green Room.
Kain kayo, te. Kuha. Meron pa dun.
Darnell,
Ang
the
dami
Volvo
niluto.
frozen. They don't make the gear anymore, am I right? There you go, 3D printed on the spot. And little Elizabeth born blind. Let's see what we can do about that. There you go.
I can see all the smells and sounds. It's amazing.
Seems like your choice is clear. A vote for Nanobot Man is a vote for happiness.
The only reason he knows what you want is because he's been inside your pee. That's right. Nanobot Man has been spying on you this whole time. Do you really want to elect a man who's been inside your balls or the other stuff?
It's true. I can see it.
That's
I can
not
see
what yan, ha?
everything.
That's not.
I am
Panoorin yan.
your pee. I didn't want to bring this up, but they forced my hand. Corvo is my
Nah.
dad, and he built.
Paano bawal lahat?
Yan, diyan ka malo. Yo, si Ponyo. Panoorin mo si Ponyo. Ayun o. Ito, nandito. Ito, yan. Isa pa. Ya, si Ponyo. Watch. Ayun o, may baby siya madami o.
Ponyo. Baby ponyo.
Cute yan si Ponyo. Baby fish yan. Baby.
Baby?
Sarap eh. Sana all.
Kain.
Hindi. Hindi masarap.
Hindi mo mga pinito sa luto ni Daddy.
Parehas kayo ayaw sa spaghetti.